Hey guys, what's up? So, little disclaimer, I was out of country for 30 days, so I couldn't film anything. So this is why this is going up like a lot of weeks later. And another thing is this video was filmed during the summer, and it's like kind of not really summer anymore, it's like fall almost, so that's why if this doesn't make sense, just go with it, because this was filmed in the summer. So, anyway, hope y'all enjoy the video. Hey guys, what is good? Yeah, everything's good. Life's good. Why am I so dumb? Alright, hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm gonna be doing this like dewy, like natural summer kind of look, because you don't want to be all caked up full glam during the summer. I mean, I do, but like if you don't, that's cool. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna get into it, and I'm not gonna do my brows first this time because I want them to be like more natural, which is gonna be hard for me. Yeah? Come in.
What do you think of the MS Paint drawing I made?
I like them.
No, the one I showed you.
I like it.
Thanks.
I'm filming.
Edit this part out.
Right. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I accidentally took like some foundation and it's like melting on my fingers, so I gotta get started. Okay, cool. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna start out with my Mario Badescu cucumber facial spray with aloe and green tea that I got as part of my birthday present. So it tastes gross, but it feels really refreshing. Next, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Illuminating face primer. Yeah, I'm gonna use that to prime because we want to look glowing. Why does it look like that? Do you guys, why does it look like this? Okay. I mean, like, it's working, so. Oh. I don't think I've actually ever used this before, so like, yikes. There's like little particles. What? Like, it's working, but at what cost? By the way, ignore my pimples that I literally always have, because my skin just can't get right.
Hey guys, so I'm like editing this video now, and I would just like to apologize for being a dumbass. I don't know what drugs I was on while filming this video. I don't remember being this stupid when I was filming. I don't know her, so I'm sorry.
Yeah, so now that we're like glowing from within, I'm gonna spray my Mario one more time, and I'm gonna kind of pat the glow in with this. Next, I'm gonna take this Bobbi Brown BB cream, which I got for my birthday because otherwise I cannot afford this. Finally. And I'm just gonna put that on my face and blend it. And it has like SPF in it, which is really good because it's like sunscreen, I think. I just know that SPF is like good. So alright, oh my god, it smells like sunscreen too. But now that's like all on. It's not full coverage, which is like good because it's a BB cream. Yeah. Next up for concealer, I'm gonna be taking my NYX HD Studio Photogenic some concealer corrector, and I'm in the shade 04. And I'm not gonna put like too much, just like where I'm breaking out and like under eyes. Or like you can put them on any other areas that you want to like highlight. Yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. Alright, I'm also gonna put some on my lids. Alright, and I know that this is not full coverage whatsoever, but I still need to bake my under eyes or else they crease really badly. I have to set them in place, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Airspun. Alright, to kind of set the rest of the face, because I don't know about you guys, but I get really oily. I have to set my foundation or my concealer somehow. So I'm gonna take my banana powder and I'm gonna take this smaller brush and I'm just gonna put it on my more oily areas, so like my T-zone. And whatever excess I have left, I'm gonna take my bigger brush, kind of just pat everything else in place. So I'm just gonna go in slightly with my dip brow. I'm gonna kind of just do it very lightly. It's gonna be difficult because I like bolder brows. So I'm just gonna start out by like shaping it, doing the tail, and then filling in just a little bit. Like underlining, lining above, tail, and fill. That way we have more natural brows for the summer. I'm gonna go ahead and keep going with this one, and I'm also gonna do this one off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, so believe it or not, these are my not as sleek brows. These are my not as bold brows, I guess. And now I'm just gonna set them in place with my brow gel from NYX, which I need more of. But these are, I guess, more like feathery than what I usually do. More like, I don't know. They're just different. Alright, I'm really not gonna do anything for eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna move on to the face. And for the face, I'm just gonna lightly bronze with my Hoola Benefit. I think it's the most natural bronzer there is, like, on the market. For blush, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. blush palette, and it's in light, I guess. And I'm gonna take this color right here. It has some sparkle in it, and it's my favorite color from this palette. Alright, for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Sun Dipped, ironically, because we want to look sun dipped. So I'm gonna take my fan brush and I'm gonna spray it. And I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade Summer, but you can really go in with any shade you want. Then I'm gonna take the e.l.f. illuminating palette, and I'm actually gonna go with this little e.l.f. brush that I got on their website. I'm gonna go in with this. I'm kind of just gonna pat it like on the higher areas of my face where I don't highlight. So like chin and forehead. I'm gonna go back in with this little brush and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone again in the Sun Dipped palette. And then from the e.l.f. illuminating palette, I'm gonna take that same color and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner just because this color is brighter and it's really gonna make my eyes pop. Alright, now this next part is totally up to you. You can definitely use some lightweight lashes, which is what I'm gonna do, or you can just go with mascara. It's really like your choice, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes in number 031, and I'll be right back. To set my face, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set because it is illuminating, so for my lips, I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown gloss. It's so good. It makes me nut. It's just gorgeous. Like, it's clear and it like doesn't come off. And it's so beautiful. So yeah. Ooh. This is the finished look, you guys. I think it's less full coverage than what I usually go for, but I'm not really sure. Honestly, that's full coverage. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I used a lot of like Bobbi Brown and like Anastasia, and I really do want to do like a drugstore makeup tutorial soon, so that's gonna be coming up next. Not next, but like in the near future. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look that I did. Make sure to hit that like button, comment below some stuff for me to like, and I don't know, all that good stuff. Subscribe, like, comment. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!